for 5 years. Her body was found in a hotel room June 21st. She was
and we're Demodex mites. We're very common and super irritating to your eyelids. But we love making ourselves comfortable here. Oh yeah, steam time!
If Demodex mites are partying it up on your eyelids, it's time to eliminate the root of the problem with Xdemvy. With 1 drop in each eye twice a day, you can kill the mites in just 6 weeks. Xdemvy is the first and only FDA-approved treatment that kills the mites that cause Demodex blepharitis, a common eyelid disease. Avoid touching the tip of the bottle to your eye or other surfaces to minimize contamination. Wait 15 minutes before inserting contact lenses. In clinical trials, the most common side effects were stinging and burning in 1 out of 10 patients.
Party's over, folks.
It's not you, it's Demodex mites. Talk to your eye doctor today.
Y'all ready for this? What the hell's going on out here in the desert?
You need to see it with your own eyes. Here we go again. I think this is a sign of communication. What are we looking at?
This is groundbreaking.
All of a sudden, this young girl goes missing.